When will the Xiaomi 14T Pro receive the HyperOS 3.1 update? Well, I don't know, okay? But I just saw someone receive it here, as you can see. Let's go back. So this guy uses the 14T Pro just like myself, and as you can see, he has received the update 3.0.302, which I believe is a 3.0.1 update, and the size is 1.9 gigabytes. So he was running the HyperOS 3.0.8 before receiving the update, and now the 3.1. I cannot tell his region, but let's see if we could get his region. Is this the same person? I don't know. Well, this person replied Indonesia. I think it's the same person, but I cannot really tell. But anyway, it seems the HyperOS 3.1 would get to more Xiaomi 14T Pro users before the end of the month, myself included. As you can see, currently I'm running the HyperOS 3.0.5, and don't bother to change regions. It's not going to work. I don't know, I've tried it many times, it didn't work. So you would get we would get the update when we get it. That's just what I wanted to say. And of course, after the 3.1, maybe the end of this month, we would be expecting the HyperOS 4, which is expected to launch, I think revealed, not launch actually, in August, according to the leaks and rumors, either July or August. And then, according to the details as well, the rumors, the Xiaomi 18 series and the 18T series would launch officially with the HyperOS 4 right out of the box. So, yep, that's according to the details. But they are just leaks and rumors, so none of these details that I share with you guys are official. So please take them with a pinch of salt. Anyway, that's it for the video. If I get the updates, I will definitely make a video about it. Tell you guys maybe there are any differences. Maybe there'll be some sort of changes, especially regarding the battery drain issue. This device, the 14T Pro, it drains a lot. The battery drains a lot. So I hope that the update actually helps with that. Yeah, so that's it for the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.